Today we're talking about 35-year-old Jack Burrows, a married father from Salford who's been jailed after giving a vulnerable patient his mobile phone number and twice having sex with her at a mental health unit. Jack was a care worker at the mental health unit in Manchester, where he had sex with a patient in the yard and also while escorting her to another ward. He also sent the patient nude pictures of himself. Jack was employed by NHS professionals and met the patient, who cannot be named for legal reasons, at the mental health unit in Greater Manchester. Jack was aware that the patients he was caring for were vulnerable and suffering from mental health issues that were sufficient enough that they needed to be inpatients. But rather than care for the patient, Jack embarked on a relationship with the victim. The patient confided in another member of staff, telling them that she is doing something really bad, and when pressed by that member of staff, the patient revealed that she was having a sexual relationship with Jack Burrows. The prosecutor said that the relationship did not appear to be non-consensual, and also that although Jack provided his phone number to the patient, he didn't initiate the initial contact that was from the patient. But what Jack did do wrong was to provide his mobile phone number in the first place. The police examined the patient's phone, where it revealed a string of messages between Jack and the patient. Within those messages, Jack said to the patient that she should view him as a potential love interest. He also mentioned that he was risking everything by having a relationship with her, discussed potential places where they could have their sexual encounters, with Jack admitting that he was breaking all the rules. Jack also encouraged the patient to keep cool so that their relationship wasn't found out. He also offered to bring her alcohol to the ward. When interviewed by the police, the patient revealed that she had gone outside of the ward with Jack to smoke a cigarette, and that's when he took her to a yard nearby and they had sex there. The second time was when Jack was escorting the patient from one ward to another. When Jack was arrested by the police and had his phone examined, they didn't find any messages at all, and the police then suggested that Jack had deleted those messages. In court, the patient said that the relationship with Jack had affected her life and had made her anxious in medical settings and would shake and panic. Jack was jailed for 2 years and 3 months after admitting the offences and was ordered to sign the sex offenders register for 10 years.